Okay. Find the ratio in which 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 the line 3x plus y minus 9, 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0, 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. Divide the line segment joining. Divide the line segment joining the points 1, 3 and 2, 7. 2, 7. Divide the line segment joining the point 1, 3 and 2, 7. Okay, divide the line segment joining 1, 3 and 2, 7. Question again. Find the ratio. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining okay. Find the ratio in which find the ratio in which the line segment joining. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining 3x plus y minus 9. Divide the line segment joining 1, 3 and 2, 7. Hello, understood the question? Question okay now? Hello, is it okay question? Okay, so look at here. I'll show this one. Let us see our net. Okay. Okay. So here, listen here. This is the question. Look, A here. This is a star question. Okay. A 1, 3, B 2, 7. One line passing like this. Okay. This line is 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. This point is C. Our question is what? We have to find out the ratio. AC is to CB. We have to find out. This is the question. Question clear now? The line segment joining A 1, 3 and 2, 7. One line is passing through this line, intersecting at C. Then what ratio we have to find out? Okay. Listen here. We assume that the ratio is K is to 1. We assume the ratio is what? K is to 1. And you find out the coordinates of C. Coordinates of C is what? 2K plus 1 by K plus 1. 7K plus 3 by K plus 1. This is the coordinates of C. Clear now? This is the coordinates of C is 2K plus 1 divided by K plus 1, 7K plus 3 by K plus 1. Okay. Now, since the line passing through C, don't write. Since the line passing through C, that is 3 into 2K plus 1 by K plus 1 plus 7K plus 3 by K plus 1 minus 9 equal to 0. Correct or no? Because the line passing through C. So that is 6K plus 3 plus 7K plus 3 minus 9 into K plus 1 equal to 0. 6K plus 3 plus 7K plus 3 minus 9K minus 9 equal to 0. 6K plus 7, 42. 13 minus, how much? 13 minus 4, right? 13 minus 9. How much? 4. 4K plus 6, 3 equal to 0. 4k equal to 3. K equal to 3 by 4. Ratio is what? 3 is to 4. Okay. Right first. Okay. The ratio is what? 3 is to 4. You write. After getting this point, you write since since 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0 lies on. Okay. Since C lies on, then we continue. Okay. Are you right? Others, is it okay? Vidya, which part? Vidya, listen. First of all, you get the coordinates of C. You remember no section formula. Vidya, you remember the section formula or not? Okay, section formula is what? M1 x2 plus M1 x2 plus M2 y1 M2 x1 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Like that here, 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1. 7k plus 3 by k plus 1. Now, this point lies on this equation. For example, look at here. For example, x plus y equal to 10. We can say 6, 4 lies on here. Correct or not? The equation is x plus y equal to 10. We can say 6 and 4 lies on here because 6 plus 4, 10. Like that. Because since the line passing through C, substitute here 3 into 2k plus 1 by k plus 1, y 7k plus 3 by k plus 1 minus 9 equal to 0. Taking the LCM, here nothing to multiply. Here 9 times k plus 1. When they open, we got k equal to 3 by 4. Ratio is 3 is to 4. Okay, copy it first. Which third step? Which third step here? This one. Hello? Here. Others. This one. I just substitute. Look at here. You multiply everywhere. You multiply everywhere with the k plus 1. Because this is this x equal to 2k plus 1 by k plus 1. Y equal to 7k plus 3 by k plus 1. Substitute in the given equation. 3 times 2k plus 1 by k plus 1. Y 7k plus 3 by k plus 1 minus 9 equal to 0. You replace it. You replace x equal to this one, y equal to this one. Then multiply by k plus 1. So here 9 times k plus 1 equal to 0. Open 9k minus 2. Then simplify it. Okay. Hello. Regarding the test, without figure, geometry question, no one check it. As per the CBSE rule, you should have the figure in your answer sheet. Without figure, no one can check it. So that's why some guys, you answered. I didn't check your answer because no figure. So careful that one. Okay, finish. Okay, so next question. Right. A point P, next question. A point P, divide the line segment joining the points. A point P, divide the line segment joining the points. A point P, divide the line segment joining the points A 3 minus 5. A 3 minus 5. A 3 minus 5. B minus 4 8. B minus 4 8. B minus 4 8 such that AP divided by PB equal to K by 1. AP by PB equal to K by 1. Okay. If P lies on the line, X plus Y equal to 0. If P lies on the line, X plus Y equal to 0. Okay. Find the value of K. Find the value of K. Find the value of K. Question again. A point P, listen, a point P, divide the line segment joining the point. A point P divides the line segment joining the points A 3 minus 5, B minus 4 8, such that AP by PB equal to K by 1. Okay. If P lies on X plus Y equal to 0, then find the value of K. Then find the value of K. Okay, try now. Okay, try now. K equal to what? Yes. K equal to 1 by 2. Yes. K equal to 1 by 2. Okay. K equal to 1 by 2, not minus 1 by 2. Others, check your answer. Okay. Finish. K equal to 1 by 2. We're all got. K equal to 1 by 2. Hello. Okay. So next, is it okay? Next question. Shall I start next question? Okay. Right. Asma, Mansvi, you got? What is the question? Look at here. A here. 3 minus 5. B minus 4, 8. P here. The line passing x plus y. Okay. K is to 1. Coordinate of P minus 4. Okay. Minus 4k plus 3 by k plus 1. 8k minus 5 by k plus 1. Check the coordinate correct or not. This coordinate correct? Minus 4k plus 3 by k plus 1, 8k minus 5 by k. Now substitute here. Minus 4k plus 3 by k plus 1 plus 8k minus 5 by k plus 1 equal to 0. That is minus 4k plus 3 plus 8k minus 5 equal to 0. Here 4k minus 2 equal to 0. K equal to 1 by 2. Yes, k equal to 1 by 2. So next question. Finished now? Okay. So next one, right? If A and B are 2 points, if A and B are 2 points, if A and B are 2 points having coordinates minus 2, minus 2, having coordinates minus 2, minus 2, having coordinates minus 2, minus 2. A minus 2, minus 2. B 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. Okay. Find the coordinates of P. Find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3 by 7 AB. find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3 by 7 AB. AP equal to 3 by 7 AB. If A and B are, once again, if A and B are 2 points, if A and B are 2 points having coordinates -2, -2, and 2, -4, respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3 by 7 AB. AP equal to 3 by 7 AB. Okay, try now. I don't know. Let me check. Okay. Anybody got? Dinesh is wrong. Yeah, Abel. Abel, I think correct. Abel, I think correct. Yes, Kavani, correct. Nia is wrong. Nia, check it again. Okay. Okay. Verona is correct. Okay. Dinesh, still wrong. Dinesh, I think your ratio is wrong. Dinesh, Suresh, others, you finish? You try, man. Yeah, now correct. Look at here. See, A here, -2, -2. B, 2, -4. P here. Okay. Actually, APs to PB we need. Dinesh, it's wrong. Look at here. We need APs to PB. But here AP, what? AP equal to 3/7 AB. 7 AP equal to 3 AB. Okay, that is 7 AP equal to 3 times AB is AP plus PB. Okay, 7 AP equal to 3 AP plus 3 PB. Okay, 4 AP equal to 3 PB. So AP divided by PB equal to 3/4. So now we try. Dinesh, you got the ratio 3:4? Dinesh. So then why is wrong? Others, you understood how to get the ratio? Because maybe you're confused. Here given AP by AB, not 3/7. Okay, 3/7 is not AP is to PB. 3/7 not AP is to PB. You have to find out that. Okay, try first. Asma, you got this one? Hello, Asma. You're not here. Okay. Ramsha, you got? Okay. So make sure you have to find out AP is to PB. Okay. Don't take 3/7. AP is to PB, you have to find out. Answer is -2/7 minus 20/7. -2/7, comma, -20/7. Megan, you got? Okay. So finished all, I hope finish all, right? Others finish? Okay, my question, what are the, you learned last, what are the properties of a parallelogram? The properties of a parallelogram, you learned one point, diagonal bisect each other at the same point, correct or no? Diagonal bisect each other at the same point. Okay, so right, using section formula, right, using section formula, using section formula, prove that the points -2, prove that the points -2, -1, using section formula, prove that -2, -1. 1 0, okay, 4 3, then 1 2, 1 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram, are the vertices of a parallelogram. Listen, using section formula, prove that -2, -1, 1 0, 4 3, 1 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, I'll show this one. We know by distance formula. How to show opposite sides are equal. Now look at here. You join this one. Not right now. Okay, you find out the coordinates of midpoint of AC. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of AC. That is -2 plus 4 by 2, comma, -1 plus 3 by 2. What is that? 1, comma, 1. Okay, the coordinate. Listen, you find the coordinates of midpoint of AC. You got 1 1. Coordinate of midpoint of BD. 1 plus 1 by 2, comma, 0 plus 2 by 2. That is also 1, comma, 1. Then you write, since the coordinates of midpoint of AC and BD, same point, hence ABCD is a parallelogram. Clear now? You write first find out the coordinates of midpoint of AC. Then find the coordinate midpoint of BD. Same point. Then write, since the coordinates of midpoint of AC and BD same, ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the easiest way to show the parallelogram. Okay. Right first. Okay. So next question. Right. This is star question. The three vertices of a parallelogram. The three vertices of a parallelogram. Three vertices of a parallelogram. Three vertices of a parallelogram. Taken in order. Three vertices of a parallelogram. Three vertices of a parallelogram taken in order are -1, 1. Sorry, -1, 0. -1, 0. 3, 1. And 2, 2. And 2, 2. Find the fourth vertex. Find the fourth vertex. Okay. Find the fourth vertex. Three vertices of a parallelogram taken in order -1, 0, 3, 1, 2, 2. Find the fourth vertex. Okay, try this one. Okay, try now. Find the fourth vertex. Okay, try this one. Okay. Abel, you got? Yes, Abel, it is correct. Try all this question. Everyone try this question. Okay, look at here. This point is x comma y. Okay, look. The coordinates of midpoint of AC, what? -1 plus 2 by 2, comma, 0 plus 2 by 2. BD, 3 plus x by 2, 1 plus y by 2. Okay, equate this. Okay, -1 plus 2 by 2, comma, 3 plus x by 2. 2 cancel. 1 equal to 3 plus x equal to -2. Then 0 plus 2 by 2 equal to 1 plus y by 2, cancel. Y equal to 1. So coordinate is what? -2, 1. Coordinate is -2, 1. Okay, complete fast. Okay. So clear all. Others, finish? Abel. Okay, Mega, listen here. We know that in parallelogram, diagonal bisect each other at the same point. Right? You know that. In parallelogram, diagonal bisect each other. So find the coordinates, the midpoint of, you write the coordinates, the midpoint of AC. What? Midpoint formula is what? X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. -1 plus 2 by 2. Okay. Plus -1 plus 2 by 2, 0 plus 2 by 2. Midpoint of BD, 3 plus x by 2, 1 plus y by 2. Equate. This equate. This equate. You get the answer. Okay. Now you check it. I'll wait. Affirm. Is it okay? Hello, Affirm. Aditya. Okay, so next question. Right. If three vertices, if the points, next question. If the point A61, if the point A61, B82. Okay. Okay. The points A61, A61, B82, C 94. Okay. D P comma 3. D P comma 3. Find the value of P. Are the vertices of a parallelogram. Are the vertices of a parallelogram. If the point A61, B82, C94, D, P comma 3 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Find the value of P. Are the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay. Find out first. Okay. P equal to 7. Yes, correct. Navneet, P equal to 7. Yes, P equal to 7. Okay. All the guys, finish it fast. Okay, finish. Hello. Finish or not? Aditi, finish? Okay, I'll wait. Finish it fast. Midpoint formula is what? Why are you asking Vidya? You did not studying at all now. Vidya, midpoint formula is the beginning of the class I gave. Check the note. Section formula I gave you. Next note, you check it. Don't ask me now. Okay. You didn't prepare it. Open your book and find out the note. Okay. Of section formula. The next is midpoint formula is there. Using that only we did previous question. No. Now you're asking me. This is the third question, I think. Okay. Finish. Vidya, you finish or not? Okay. So next question. If A minus 2 minus 1. If A minus 2 minus 1. Same question only. Minus 2 minus 1. B A comma 0. B A comma 0. C 4 comma B. 4 comma B. D 1 2. D 1 2. D Fresner. Previous answer is 7, man. Fresner. Previous answer already confirmed 7. Check your answer. A minus 2 minus 1. A minus 2 minus 1. B A comma 0. C 4 comma B. D 1 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Find the value of A and B. Find the values of A and B. Okay, A equal to what? A equal to 1, B equal to 3. A equal to 1, B equal to 3. It's clear now. Answeri. And okay, I'll wait. Finish it fast. MA. Ayush. Is it okay? Farhana. Gaurav. Hemant. Halima. Inaya. Inaya, both Inaya. Is it okay? Inaya, you're okay now? Rohidasha, finished? Mahi. Okay, Vidya, finish? Megan, finish or not? Okay, so next question. So next question. Three vertices of a parallelogram. Three vertices of a parallelogram. A plus B, comma, A minus B. Three vertices of a parallelogram are A plus B, comma, A minus B. Then next, 2A plus B, 2A plus B, comma, 2A minus B. Okay. Next, A minus B, comma, A plus B. Okay. Find the fourth vertex. Find the fourth vertex. Once again, A is A plus B, comma, A minus B. Then 2A plus B, comma, 2A minus B. Next, A minus B, A plus B. Find the fourth vertex. Okay. Okay, try now. Okay, what is the answer? Minus B, B. What is the answer? Minus B, B. Okay. Okay, finish it fast all. Yeah, minus B, B. Okay, what is the answer? Answer is minus B, B. I have finished all. Viveka, finish? Hello, Viveka, finish? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. Finish it first. Vidya, finish? Others, finish or not? Okay. What is the problem? This Vidya and Viveka, this much time. Look, AC, midpoint what? A plus B plus a minus b by 2, comma, a minus b plus a plus b by 2. That is b cancel. 2a by 2a. Okay, here this is also a, correct or not? The midpoint is what? A. Hello, the midpoint is a, right? Okay. Now this is x comma y. X comma y. BD 2a plus b plus x by 2, comma, right? 2a minus b plus y by 2. Okay. So equate this one. 2a plus b plus x by 2 equal to a. So that is 2a plus b plus x equal to 2a. 2a cancel. X equal to minus b. Yes, x equal to minus b. Okay, next one. Here, 2a minus b plus y by 2 equal to y. Sorry, equal to a, again a. 2a minus b plus y equal to 2a cancel. So b comma b, minus b comma b, correct? Minus b comma b. Okay, Vidya, Viveka, finish or not? Okay. So next question, right? Next one. If the coordinates, the midpoint of the sides of a triangle, if the coordinates the midpoint of the sides of a triangle, if the coordinates of the midpoint of the sides of a triangle, if the coordinates of the midpoint of the sides of a triangle are 1, 2, A, B, C. This is D, E, F. If the coordinates of midpoint of the sides of a triangle are 1, 2, okay, 0 minus 1, then 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Okay, find the coordinates of vertices. Find the coordinates of the vertices. Find the coordinates of the vertices. Find the coordinates of the vertices. Once again, hello, listen. If the coordinates of midpoint of the sides of a triangle are 1, 2, 0 minus 1, and 2 minus 1. Find the coordinates. I'll show this one. Don't write anything. Just listen here. Hello. Don't write. This one I'm taking x1, y1. This one x2, y2. This one x3, y3. Okay. Don't write. Hello. Listen all. What is the question? D is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint of AC. F is the midpoint of AB. Then find ABC. We assume that A x1, y1, B x2, y2, C x3, y3. Okay. We know that what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus x2 by 2. Hello, listen all. X1 plus x2 by 2 equal to what? 2. Therefore, x1 plus x2 how much? X1 plus x2 by 2 equal to 2. What about x1 plus x2? 4 equal to 4. Call it number 1. Similarly, y1 plus y2 equal to minus 2. Number 2. Correct or no? Y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to minus 1. So y1 plus y2 equal to minus 2. Then x2 plus x3 equal to 2. Number 3. y2 plus y3 equal to 4. Number 4. Then x1 plus x3 equal to 0. Number 5. Y1 plus y3 equal to -2. Number 6. Okay, check this all. Hello, check, make sure these all formulas first. Everyone make sure these formulas. Then only you can further. Okay. Vidya, up to here okay or not? Varnid, Tanusri, Tanmay, Nishant, Sridarshini. Lavanya, is it okay? Up to here okay? Jay, is it okay? Or up to here okay or not? Then only I can start next section. Okay. Is it okay? Now, look. Now listen here. We have 6 equations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this one, you have to get x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. What is the solution? You have any plan? You have 6 equations and 6 unknowns. So you have to get Nia. You have any plan? 6 equations and 6 unknowns. Equate. What equate? Equate what? Equate others. Use substitution method. Hey, come on. Substitution method. Okay, maybe. I don't know. Maybe we'll get it. Okay. Any other solution? Sharanya, you have any suggestion? 6 equations and 6. Nia, you're here or not? Mansvi, you have any? Meghana. Oh, Megan, you have any suggestion? Hello, do you have any suggestion how to find out? Megan, x1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is Nia. Nia, any suggestion? Subtract 1 and 3. Okay. Add, okay. Okay, Nia, you said correct. Okay. Look at here. Add 1, 3, 5. What will get? 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to what? 1, 3, 5. 6, yeah, 6. Therefore, x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 3. Number 8. Oh, we got one more equation. Okay, we got one more equation. Okay, now look at here. Now, hey, hello, you have to try. 1 and 8. Listen, what is that? 1 and 8. x1 plus x2, 4. 4 plus x3 equal to 3. You will get x3. This x3 give it here, you will get x2. x2 give it here, you will get x1. Clear or not? Hello? Add 1, 3, 5. We got 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to 6. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 3. Then A, right? 8 and 1. X1 plus x2, 4. 4 plus x3 equal to 3. X3 equal to minus 1. Give to here. You'll get x2 and give to here. Similarly, if I add 2, 4, 6. Okay, do this one. Okay, try now. Okay, so finish now. Write the coordinates. You will get the coordinates like this. 1 minus 4. 3, 2. Minus 1, 2. Yes, correct. Combinate, correct. 1. You'll get answer 1 minus 4. 3, 2. Minus 1, 2. Okay. Check all. Answer is 1 minus 4. 3, 2. Minus 1, 2. Alisa, finish. Hello, answer is 1 minus 4, 3, 2, minus 1, 2. Okay. Okay, finish all. So then, Vidya, you finished? Okay. I'll wait. Viveka, finish or not? Okay. Okay. So try one more question. The coordinates of one endpoint of a diameter of a circle. Answer, Vidya. Answer is 1 minus 4. Hey, hello. Previous answer 1 minus 4, 3, 2, minus 1, 2. You got it? Okay. So next question. This is the last question, today's last question. Okay. The coordinates of one endpoint of a diameter of a circle. The coordinates of one endpoint of a diameter of a circle. The coordinates of one endpoint of a diameter of a circle. The coordinates of one endpoint of a diameter of a circle are 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. The coordinates of one endpoint of a diameter of a circle 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. And coordinate of the center is 1 minus 3. Okay. Find the coordinates of the other end. Find the coordinates of the other end. Find the coordinates of the other end. Find the coordinates of other end. Okay. Find first. Here 4 minus 1, center is 1 minus 3, find B. Okay. Okay. How to find the B? I don't know. Look at here. X, comma, Y. 4 plus X by 2 equal to 1, midpoint. And minus 1 plus Y by 2 equal to minus 3. So 4 plus X equal to 2. X equal to minus 2. You got X equal to minus 2. Then minus 1 plus Y equal to minus 6. Y equal to minus plus 1 plus minus 6 equal to minus 5. So answer is what? Minus 2, 5. Okay, this is enough today. Okay, so next class, I hope we can finish it this chapter. Okay.